All right, so I'm gonna do another one in the series, what makes this piece of music so cool. I'm gonna do I Can't Help Falling in Love. Everybody did it, but I'm thinking of the Elvis version. You know, everybody knows the song. Okay, so my favorite spot of that piece is the polyrhythm there. So this song is in 6/8, and that spot groups the eighth notes every 2, where typically in 6/8 time we group them every 3. So that spot I think is quite clever. It's so iconic. Everybody knows it. So I think that one is what really makes this tune great. The other thing is actually the A section is just 16 bars. It's 4-bar phrases. The chord progression's all diatonic. So usually with those parameters, you get something like, cookie cutter. This one's kind of cookie cutter, but still such a good tune, So the chords go 1, 3, 6, 6, 4, 1, 5, 5, 4, 5, 6, 4, 1 over 5, 5, 1, 1. So yeah, nothing, everything is completely diatonic to the key of D major, whatever key you played in. So messing around with polyrhythm. So again, in this piece, they do every 2 eighth notes. They do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, which is really cool there. But I always recommend, take that idea and try to kind of run with it. So what if we did every 4 eighth notes within 6/8 time? What is that all about? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's really cool. That's really hip. And so is every 5 eighth notes within 6/8 time. A little more complex, but it's a great feel. I think it makes like a 5-bar, makes a 5-bar phrase. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. This one, another polyrhythm. So anyway, that's what makes I Can't Help Falling in Love with You so cool, at least to me. All right, thanks a bunch.